This is going to be a demonstration of a split stance pull downward. So we're going to have our band or cable set up in the high position. So this means something likely that is higher than our head. We're going to have a handle, ideally, on the band. And it can be a loop band or a tube band with the handle attached to both ends. Or it's, like I said, a cable machine. And you can either be using a 3-point anchor system or a door anchor system or cable machine. So I'm going to start with my hand. In this case, my hand is going to grab the handle. And it's going to be opposite of my front foot. So in every one of these, I want to start with the sense of tension on this. So here, there's no tension. Here, here, there's tension. So what I'm going to do is actually turn my thumb down so that my shoulder blade has rolled completely forward. Now from here, keeping my hips tucked, my abs tight, my chin in a neutral position, I am going to pull, rotating, and slightly side bending in that direction, keeping the shoulder blade back and down. So I'm not here, shoulder blades back and down. Then I'm going to resist on the way out, slightly side bending in the other direction. I like a little more tension on this. So I'm going to pull, slight side bend. Slight side bend, slight side bend. My eyes stay level. Thumb down. Again, you can play with this range of motion. If this causes pain in your shoulder, find a range of motion in this rotation that feels good to you and work on expanding that range of motion. So, thumb down, side bend. From here, I'm going to slight side bend the other way. Extend out. Side bend. Now as this comes back, this slightly comes forward, especially when I side bend. So then extend back, here, back. And this front leg has to be flexed because I'm resisting this forward energy as I'm pulling. Here. So I'm not overdoing it. It shouldn't seem excessive. I can raise this elbow up to level. I can keep it attached to my side, but you may find that's challenging for balance. If it's comfortable for you to raise it above that level as you side bend, that's okay too. But what I'm doing is it's a corkscrew motion, and you're going to see this in all of this, is that we're looking at the arms rotating. 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 So as I'm set up and pulling, I'm pulling into position and moving back. So you can turn the elbow up, or you can mimic the action on the other side. It's entirely up to you. So from here, rotate, or rotate. It's up to you. Whatever feels most comfortable for your wrists, elbows, and shoulders. But this has been the split stance pull down from a high position.